It's like he's at the grocery store shopping. Actually, they should make a little shopping cart.
Yeah.
That would be cute. Uh-oh. Get back up. Get back up. You can do it.
There we go.
He's like, this is hard work. Oh, distracted. Good job. That's where duties are made. Or cleaned up. This is your last lap. You're almost there. You're almost to the finish line.
He was trying to bite the. He's trying to bite the.
You're silly.
Bite the face of the giraffe.
You like your giraffe? Are you still one? Okay.
Yeah, I am.
No
I am.
more.
No?
Say bye-bye, giraffe.
Oh no, he wants it.
See, go. Oh, he doesn't care. Bye-bye, giraffe. Bye-bye, giraffe. Oh. Bye-bye, giraffe. Oh, he goes nuts. I shouldn't tease you like that. Mommy's mean. I love my giraffe.
This thing is not easy to zoom in and out of. There we
You
go.
want to sit on it? You want to sit? Hold on. He's all out of breath. Do you hear him?
Yeah, that was a lot of exercise.
Ready? Hang on. Hold on. Here we go. Whee! Hold on. Whee!
Jacob.
Whee!
Hi.
Whee! Oh, he's
Oh, you gonna wave? Hi.
Whee! Turn. Turn. Whee! Oh, is this your stop? Is this where you're getting off? No? Okay. Whee! Where are we going? Where are we going? To Motown. Not sure where that is.
You don't know where Motown is?
No.
It's in Detroit.
Oh! Motown's so Milky City. Makes me cough.
Alright, I'm stopping filming. Bye, Jacob. Bye. Oh, that horrible cough.
Oh.
Bye.
He tries to get on here by himself too sometimes.
Yeah.
Watch. Maybe he'll do it. He'll like try and pick his leg up and try and sit on it. You like the giraffe? Come on.
All right.
Mister.